My name is Paul Emiani, and this is my second year as a member of the Student Success Institute.
Hi, my name is Sheila Johnson. I am an ambassador for SSI, the Student Success Institute.
Hi, my name is Crystalline Davis, and I'm a student at Lone Star Community College-Montgomery.
The program is basically meant to keep students in college and to keep them and to help them graduate from college.
I signed up. I was assigned my mentor, which is awesome, and I went from there. And I just believe that the program is beneficial for anyone.
I started SSI with the determination to finish my career, and SSI helped me determine what I really wanted to do in social services. After losing my daughter almost a year ago in January, I was kind of discouraged, and I reached out for and applied for Students SSI, and I realized that I really can do this. I really can pursue my dreams and make a better impression on my life.
The mentorship program through the Student Success Institute is wonderful. My mentor, I'm not sure if we're supposed to speak of their name, however, my mentor is wonderful. She's very down to earth, and she provides me with a lot of information. So I would say, as far as the program itself, it would be something beneficial for anyone to involve themselves in if they need some help. If they're not sure about their degree plan, if they're not sure about transferring, that mentor is going to advise them on what to do, when to do, where to do, in order for them to make their transfer pretty easy.
This program helped me succeed in my classes. I believe that this program will help you too when you become a member.
I hope that everyone watching will be very interested in joining Student Success Institute.